home. I'm so early. Oh my god. I'm holding my mom.
يجاوز الكمامات والقفين في حافلة تخلص من أي هواتف محمودة.
Just done immigration, the lady was so cranky, but luckily for my part, she didn't really talk much. I can't believe I'm already in Dubai. Oh my god, look, Dubai! So just checked in Aloft and it's currently 2 AM. Oh my god, I'm going in circles, like I'm literally lost in the hallway of my hotel room. It's really 2 AM. I need to hurry up. I just checked in finally. I got lost in the hallway. Like the hotel layout is so weird. And this is my room, which is massive. Look at the bed. What? Yeah, it's my first ever day and night. And hopefully I can sleep because I've been not sleeping well these couple of days.
The next day.
I need to the pool to see the pool area, but I'm not gonna swim because it's already late. It's like 10. I have to check out like 12. The pool is kind of cute. Small, but it's cute, and the weather is very nice. It's not that hot, but it's also windy. I don't know how long is the journey, but the next check-in is at 3, so I don't know if I should go now or what. I don't know. So I'm just walking around and seeing the Aloft Dubai Airport, which is linked to Element, so you guys can choose which one you want. Personally, Aloft is cheaper, and they share the same swimming pool, I think. Early check-in, normally it's at 3. My check-in is at 1, but for the early check-in, my floor level is level 1. I don't really mind it, honestly. I'm just here to come and sleep. The view is very funny. The pro is you have a big balcony, but what is this? The pool is lovely and obviously it's very hot. Yeah, it's just a normal pool. It's a square pool. There's like little cabanas and lounge chairs. I'm heading to Mall of the Emirates to have lunch. It's my first time going to Mall of the Emirates. It's like one of the biggest in Dubai. So yeah, I have to wait for the traffic light. Going there! Well, the mall is so stunning. Like look. Mashallah. After walking for hours, I'm now just drinking some cucumber drink. Unfortunately, like the mall don't have any seats at all. Like the whole level, there's no seats. The seats are only at restaurants and cafes. I cannot, like, it's very tiring. I'm in the cheesecake factory and it's such a vibe. Got free bread. I don't know if it's free or not, but yum. Overall, the portion is very big for the price. The slip-on cheesecake is a bit too sweet. End of day 2, so tomorrow I will have to wake up very early for breakfast, and then I have to go to Marina Walk for my boat tour. Then I'm gonna go Burj Khalifa, I'm gonna go to Dubai Mall. So today is rather just mall hopping, not really mall hopping, just Mall of the Emirates. Kinda like boring since it's only like mall. So hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. Hopefully I can sleep after spraying Dr. Teal melatonin spray. They say it helps you sleep. Yeah, so stay tuned for the results.
8 hours later.
So this actually works. This is not sponsored or anything, but it took me like less than 15 minutes to fall asleep. Normally I would be awake till like 4, 3 AM. Dr. Teals, whoever you are, amazing.